Okay, let me talk about child labor. No? Child labor is something that is immoral, that is illegal. In fact, if you are trying to follow current developments on TV, there are certain concerns being aired that children, small children, are being exploited to appear in shows, di ba? Yung mga children's shows like, they are made to appear in telenovela, ganon, mga other shows in the TV, on TV, and there are concerns that they are being exploited or they are being made to work more than enough time that they will give them rest. Diba? They are no longer able to study their lessons. They are no longer able to lead normal lives because they spend more time now, rehearsing or appearing on TV or making those appearances. No, so child labor is something that is not only immoral but illegal. And if you saw the movie Murakami, I don't know if you remember that. Murakami is about small children who were asked to dive for I think mga piers, no, and very deep seas, deep waters. So that is a very clear case of child labor, no. Per se, child labor may not be evil if it is properly regulated. For example, siyempre maganda naman yun if you could train your children to do some work, no? Like for example, being made as TV personalities, di ba? Okay yun. They'll be earning money, not only for themselves but for children, no? Ay for their parents. And also, they will be good examples for their children to aspire, no? Ay, ito maganda to. Ako, maski, if they see, for example, sino yung mga small children yan, nakilala yung sa E-Boy, malit na ba tayo, di ba? Yung sa, yung going, bulilit ba yun? Yeah. Kaya na yung bulilit, may mga, ngayon, charges na hindi raw, they are made to appear as if they are already adults, with emotion of adults, so I think there are charges over that, and I don't think it's a good commentary, no? So, but child labor, if properly guided, I think it's good. But when it's not properly regulated by the proper government agency, it will result to exploitation of small children. Okay? So, I think I've spoken my piece about child labor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.